Situated north of the Philippines lies a city that is rich in beauty, culture, and history. With an altitude of more than 5,000 feet above sea level, this city's cool climate remains unmatched and unrivaled and has earned the name the summer capital of the Philippines. Accessible by land and air transportation, this city has proven itself to be the leading tourist destination in the country. With more than 4 major academic universities, it has established itself as the foremost educational center in northern Luzon. The presence of an export processing zone that houses several giant semiconductor firms attribute to the city's advanced economy. This is Baguio City.
I believe it is a good place to invest and to live, because of course in our vision for the city, it's just like saying that we want the city to be a place where we can live peacefully and where we can pursue our dreams.
The investment climate here in Baguio is very friendly. Thus, I would like to encourage everyone to come be our guest in the City of Pines, Baguio City.
Baguio City is also home to the first log cabin-inspired condominium, the St. Thomas Estates Condominium, or STEC. St. Thomas Estates Condominium is a fulfillment of Prime Peak Properties Limited Incorporated's aim to provide an affordable solution to every Filipino's dream of having a house and lot of their own. St. Thomas Estates Condominium is an invitation to live a life brimming with comfort, surrounded by the natural beauty of the Philippines' summer capital, as only Prime Peak Properties Limited Incorporated can provide. Prime Peak Properties Limited Incorporated, developing affordable and world-class living. Also developed by Prime Peak Properties Limited Incorporated north of Manila, Delia Primeville, Tuba Benguet, and south of Manila, Metro Tagaytay, Prime Peak Tagaytay, Prime Peak Tagaytay 2, Prime Peak Estates, and Prime Peak Executive Condominiums. Visit or call the nearest business center near you.